Today, my friends, we will talk about a site that converts writing to real stories, and we can use it in several uses such as producing stories and publishing them on YouTube, for example, or freelancing. And here is Elon Musk's opinion on this tool.
I present to you today, guys, a miracle in creating stories in the video. I think will be a breakthrough and bring you a special income. I advise you to use a tool that will bring you a large income in a short time.
The tool is very masterpiece. You can produce many videos through it. First of all, we want a story to create. We go to GPT chat or any intelligence. Then we ask him for a story. Then we go to the storyteller website. And we're creating the video in a way, but we're going to use a clever move, which is that we're going to take the pictures that result from creating the story and install them without watermarks. Now look how that is. Keep going.
In a quiet village nestled among green hills, there lived a young girl named Layla. She was a joyful and lively child who loved playing with small animals and running through the fields. But her life was far from easy. When she was just 5 years old, she lost both her parents in a tragic accident, leaving her an orphan under the care of her uncle and his wife.
We download the story from clicking on the storyboard icon. Now the story is with us and the picture's numbered as a story. Now we will create the voiceover for the video. This is through 11 Labs or any other site you like to use, and I will create special clips for the voiceover on the channel soon. Follow, we will create the voiceover. Now we will install the video via CapCut, which I will leave you a download link in the description box. Greater capabilities for iPhone owners, and also the link under the bottom of the video. Now we have the pictures numbered for the story video, and also there is the voice only we want to install that is with us. We try as much as possible to create the sound matching the video. Now that we have finished the video, we will learn together how to output the video in a simple way and in 4K quality. Always do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and publish it so that your friends benefit from it.